tiny hole at the vertex in the bottom of a conical funnel at a uniform rate of 4 centimeter cube per second. When the slant height of the water is 3 centimeter, find the rate of decrease of the slant height of the water given that the vertical angle of the funnel is 120. Water is dripping through a tiny hole at the vertex in the bottom of a conical funnel. Means it is conical funnel and water is dripping out at the vertex. It is conical funnel. When the slant height of the water is 3 centimeter, find the rate of decrease of slant height of the water given that vertical angle is 120. Then semi-vertical angle is 60. It is 60 and it is also 60. Whole angle is 120. Let at any instant t the volume of water is given by this O point A B M. V is the volume of water at any instant. V is the volume of water and L is the slant height. L is the slant height of water cone OAB. L is the slant height of water cone OAB. V is the volume of water and volume of water is given by 1/3 pi r square means am square into h om in triangle OAM we have sin 60 equal AM by AO. AM by value of AO is L. Sin 60 is given by root 3 by 2. Then root 3 by 2 equal AM by L, and we have a value of AM is root 3 L by 2. Cos 60 OM by AM. Value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. OM by AO. AO is L. Then OM equal L by 2. We have V equal 1/3 pi r square h. Radius is AM and height is OM. And value of AM and OM in form of L is given. Pi. Value of AM is root 3 by 2 L square, and value of OM is L by 2. Then volume equal 1/3 pi into 3 L square by 4 into L by 2. We have V equal 1/8 pi L cube. Now given that water is dripping through a tiny hole at the rate of 4 centimeter cube per second, means dV by dt is given and it is decreasing 4 centimeter cube per second. Means we have differentiate it, we have dV by dt equal 1 by 8 pi into 3L square dl by dt. Put the value of dV by dt, which is minus 4 1 by 8 pi 3L square dl by dt, and we have to find the value of dl by dt when L equal 3. Then dl by dt is minus 32 by 3 pi L square and dl by dt when L equal 3 is minus 32 and it is minus 32 by 27 pi and centimeter cube per second. Negative sign represents that slant height is decreasing. And it is answer.